Hey guys, Caitlin here with your first page of your homework for the week. Let's go right to it. Noah is planning his birthday party. Here's a tree that shows all of the possible outcomes that we could get for his party. We've got different locations, themes, days of the week, all kinds of stuff going on. And the first question, based off of the sample space that we're seeing here, how many themes? So themes would be like space, safari, and comics. So 3. And let me make that a little bit bigger. How many locations? Well, skating rink or the park. It happens over and over because there's different pathways for each theme. But there's just 2 locations, skating rink or park. And then what days of the week is he considering? Friday, Saturday, Sundays. Making it a weekend thing. That's pretty typical for birthdays, so 3 days of the week. And one possibility that Noah is considering is a party with a space theme at the skating rink on Sunday. Space, skating rink, Sunday. That would be the one they're talking about there. Write 2 other possible parties that Noah is considering. All right, let's go with, I don't know, randomly that one, and we don't have a Saturday. Let's go that one. So safari, skating rink, Friday. So we could have safari at the rink on Saturday, or we could have comic book theme at the skating rink on that one was Friday. It doesn't really matter. You just pick 2, right? There's all kinds of options. How many different possible outcomes are in the sample space? Well, 3 themes, 2 places, 3 days. 3 times 2 times 3. Multiply the outcomes of each choice or each action. 6 times 3 is 18. There's 18 in the space. So 18 different ways it could happen. You could count them too. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. All right. Moving on. Number 2. You guys are going to like me this week. There's not very many problems. For each event, write the sample space and tell how many outcomes there are. Lynn is selecting a type of lettuce. Okay, this first one, I want to do the sample space since there's 2 choices. Let's do a table. This will be perfect for a table. So I can go with the iceberg lettuce, or I can go with the romaine. I am a romaine fellow myself. I like the leafy, larger lettuce instead of the stringy iceberg. We've got ranch and Italian, and French. Notice I kind of messed up on the spelling on Italian, so I just kind of scribbled. That happens with me a lot. Just deal with it. All right, so we got iceberg, romaine, ranch, boom. Let's make our table. All right, so I could get iceberg and ranch. I could get romaine and ranch. I could get iceberg and Italiano. I could get romaine and Italiano. I could get iceberg and French. I could get romaine and French. So those are the 6 ways that it could happen. 6 outcomes for part A. B, rock, paper, scissors. Let's make a list. Rock, paper, scissors. Diego chooses rock, paper, scissors. Jada chooses rock, paper, or scissors. So Diego could choose rock, and what's her face? Jada could choose rock. Rock. Diego could do rock and scissors. Diego to rock and paper for Jada. And then the other ways, Diego could start off by playing scissors. Scissors to rock. Scissors, paper. Or Diego could start off with paper. Paper to Jada's rock. Paper to Jada's scissors. And paper to a paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 outcomes, because 3 outcomes times 3 outcomes gives me 9. 3 times 3. All right, last one, we'll do a tree diagram. On the first spinner, I could get B or M. On the second spin, so we got 2 choices to begin with. On the second spin, I could get A or E, which is why I have 2 branches coming out, A and E. And on the last spin, there's 3 branches that need to come out. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that would be D and T. D-N-T, 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 and a D-N-T. There we go. So 1, 2, 3 steps, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 outcomes. You also could have done 2 times 2 times 3. And that would also equal 12. You see there's 12 outcomes. So there you go. First page of your homework done, finished. Booyah.